Hey, what's up? Hello again. Today I will show you how you can confirm your tire change or your Zomer wheels change on a BMW G30. So let's get started. So first time, I have to change in the motor oil, and then you can take the message from here, from the messages, the left, the right one. Yes, tire change, or you can just go in my car, then in car status you have to make the pressure to be all right. That me seems to be pretty okay. Then we have tire settings, blow down, and I have just set it up last year for summer tires. I have 18 tall, and for winter tires I have two 18 tall wheels. So you can go, you have to change to summer tires, and then settings confirm. Okay, here we can see that the RDC sensor will be reset, and now he just told us that to can see the pressure in tires you have just to drive a little bit. So let's drive. And here you have a percentual. If you go stop, it will be, you will have to make again. I think I have just tried last year. %, so you have to drive just about 1-2 minutes, I think. So just made done. And now if we will stop, wait a minute, I'll try here to stop a little bit. Okay, now back. Now we check again to the messages, and I have only just my motor oil what I have to change. So it's done. That was. Until next time, bye.